Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share some amazing fabric crafts ideas. So let's start today's video. Fabric flower bucket. Use leftover fabric to create colorful flowers. Cut to pastelate them and stitch to or glue the center. Place them in a small vase or use as hair clip. Fabric flower are soft, reusable and beautiful for home decoration. Dye fabric costume. Cut small square or circle from scarf. Fabric layer with felt or batting and stitch around the edge. You can mix patterns or color fabric to protect tables and look stylish. Fabric wall hanging. Use pin of fabric, ribbon or lace to create a wall hanging. Layer different texture and color for a boho look. Hang it on your wall to add charm to any room. This is an easy diaper chart for beginners. Patchwork cushion covers. Combine small fabric scarf to make a patchwork cushion cover. Stitch square together and add a backing fabric. Patchwork cushions in colors and creative to your sofa or bed. Perfect for seasonal or recycled fabric crafts. Fabric putting and garland. Cut fabric triangle, circle, swing or glue them on a string. Use for birthday parties, festival or home decoration. Fabric garland and or lightweight, reusable and cheerful fabric jewelry. Make bracelets, necklaces or hairties from fabric strip, braid, knot or swing small piece into stylish accessories. Fabric jewelry is soft, creative and perfect for gifting. Dye fabric gifts bag. Cut square or rectangle from fabric, swing side together and add a ribbon. Perfect for small gifts, Easter eggs and party favorites. Fabric gifts bag are reusable and friendly. Fabric bookmark. Use small fabric scarf and felt to make bookmark. Add embroidery button or ribbon for decoration. Fabric bookmark are cute, personal and practical. Fabric keychains and charm. Cut small shapes from fabric, stuff them lightly and swing edge. Add a keyring or chain. Fabric keychains are fun, colorful and easy to gift. Fabric wall pockets organizer. Swing fabric piece into small pockets. Hang on a rod or board for storage. Perfect for pen, small toys or craft spares. Fabric organizer are functional and stylish. Fabric crafts ideas. Flower cushions, garland, gifts bag, bookmark and jewelry. Easy, colorful and perfect for dye, home decoration and viewers. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel and viewers. Thanks for watching my